Guys, tingnan nyo yung ano, yung lights ko na okay. Galing okay yan, guys. And look at how I would change the color. Open sesame! Oh, it's not working. Teka lang. Ah, there you go. On the other side, ito lang yung ano, oh, magic dyan. Whoop! Parang malayo. There you go. Tapos, ibahin ko ng red. Tadang! Red. Tadang! Ganda, di ba? And then, ibahin ko ng yellow. Poop! Poop! There. Yellow niya parang puti pa din. Yan. Ibahin ko ng puti. Yan yung puti. See the difference between the yellow and the puti? Now, I'm gonna do the puti. Ah. Kailangan kang lumapit. Ah. There. Tingnan nyo yung difference, diba? I-turn ko ng yellow, yung sa left side. Yellow. O, see? Hindi masyadong obvious. Yan, yellow na yan. Tapos, ibahin ko, gagawin kong view. View. Ha, ha, ha. View. Ha, 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 ha. Gagawin kong grand. Grand. Parang blue pa rin. Green. Green. Grand. Ay, naku, grand lang pala yung katapat niya. Sasabihin mong grand. Wag green, but grand. Ito, red. Ayaw, read. 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 Oh, ay, naka-red na ako kanina. Teka lang, ano pa bang kulay ang gusto? Orange? Orange. Parang yellow siya, but actually it's orange. Yan. Yan po yung magic ng sconces ko. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Nagbababay na ako. Bakit? Naku. Sa on pala siya. Poink. Bye-bye! Come on, guys. Why are you not working? Ito, ayaw. Ayaw Sorry for my hands. I was just painting earlier. Okay. Bye-bye! There. Bye-bye! There. Itong switch ko parang moody siya tonight. So, anyway. Okay, the family rules. Rule number 1. Help each other always. Rule number 2. Tell the truth. Yes, yan yung importante. Family rule number 3. Share, of course. Yung mga ibang mga kababayan natin ay napapapatayan dahil ayaw mag-share ng mga blessings, especially yung pag-share ng mga lupain ng nila, ng mga ancestors nila. Naku, nagkihakihan na sila with each other. Pang-apat. Then do your best. Yes, yan yung sabi ng mama ko, yung brother ko na engineer, yung nag-study pa siya ng engineering. Tapos hanggang alas 3 siya ng madaling araw nagsa-study. Tapos naawa na yung mama ko, pupunta siya sa taas kasi nakatulog na yung brother ko. Sasabihin ng mama ko na di bali nang mahagbong ka dong, basta you did your best, yung ganun ba? So yan, encourage natin yung mga anak natin na they will do their best. Kahit minsan may palpak, pero di bali na, as long as they did their best, they should be acknowledged for that. Pay with hugs and kisses. I love that. Listen to your parents, mga anak dyan, na walang silbi joke. Mga mababait na anak dyan. Listen naman kayo. Pakinggan nyo naman yung mga parents nyo from time to time, di ba? Pag may time. And laugh at yourself. Kung nagkamali ka, as long as it's not serious, yeah, it's okay to laugh at yourself. And of course, you say, I love you. I love you guys kasi we do not know kung last day na natin yung araw natin. Kaya sasabihin natin sa mga loved ones natin na I love you kasi baka bukas hindi na tayo bibigyan ng bukas. Try new things. Ako gusto ko talaga mag-try new things. Be thankful. Yun guys. Always say thank you. Tapos yung mga bata pa dyan, mga maliliit na bata, you always teach them how to say thank you by by modeling. When they give you something and then you say thank you, then mapa-follow nila yun. Most especially, guys, show compassion and you will reap compassion. Show compassion, guys. Yung mga natin ba, ibang tao na nangangailangan, we have to show compassion kasi kawawa naman yung iba. And of course, be happy. I would say not only happy but be joyful. Anong diferensya ng happy at saka joyful? Yung joyful po, kahit ano nang yung sitwasyon mo, kahit na wala kang pera, kahit na may namatyan ka, kahit na ang bad circumstance na nangyari sa'yo, you can cry. Pwede kang umiyak, pero yung joyful is, yung kahit na sad ka, pero deep inside, alam mo na tutulungan ka ng Panginoon, kaya may reason ka na maging joyful. Kasi yung happy, temporary lang yan eh. Happy is like kung okay yung circumstance ng buhay mo, kaya happy ka, pero pag hindi naman mabuti yung circumstance ng buhay mo, sad ka. So, yan yung difference between happy and joyful. And then, love each other. Of course, we have to love each other. Kaya nga, ang dami ng gira-gira sa mundo natin kasi walang pag-ibig sa ating mga puso. Kailangan natin ng love from the Lord. Dream big. Yes. Kung gusto mong lumigaya, humanap ka ng pangit joke. Okay lang naman to dream big as long as realistic siya. Tapos sabihin mo na mag-dream big ako, gusto kong maging isang piloto. Yes, you can be that, as long as you strive hard. Pero sabihin mo, gusto ko maging isang summa cum laude. Kung hindi naman kaya ng utok mo, you can dream big but be realistic. At least makatapos ng college, okay na, di ba? Respect one another, yes, laugh out loud. Keep your promises, yan, guys. Especially sa mga lalaki dyan na hindi marunong mag-keep ng kanilang promises. This is for you, guys. Tapos ano pa ba? Say please and thank you. Yes, be grateful. Always say thank you. Be thankful. Use kind words. Yan, guys. Especially at the heat of our, anger, sometimes we forget to be kind with our words. And then know that you are loved. Yes, kahit na walang tao na magla-love sa atin, still, may isang importanteng being na nagla-love sa atin, and that is God, the one who created you. Yun. And then hug open. Pag na-stress out ako, and then I would tell my husband, can you please hug me? Every time, guys, na mag-hug siya sa akin, it's very refreshing. So I really thank God for him. Anyway, guys, don't forget this, okay? Salamat po. Ingat po kayo dyan. Bye-bye.